Hello class, good morning. So our topic is laundering is the process of washing and starching and ironing clothes. Laundering is not just washing. It talks about everything with our clothes. Washing, starching and ironing. So laundering today is very easy because we have washing machines, we have electric materials or technologies. Okay, that's why it makes laundering easier. So here are the steps in laundering. First is sorting. You need to sort white to colored clothes because we want to avoid staining white shirts and big ones to small ones. Next is soaking it with water. So before you directly put it in um, the basin with soap, you need to soak it, okay, with water. Then the third is first soap. It is done either by hand or by the use of washing machine. So when washing clothes by hand, rub more soap on the more soiled part or more dirty area. After the first soap is rinsing. So you need to rinse it. Then rinse properly in a basin of water includes rubbing with the hand, dipping the clothes in water, or final stroke, which is done by holding the clothes on both sides. Okay? So actually, we end here. Okay? Then final rinsing and drying if it is only colored shirts or colored cloths. But if it is white then we do the second soaping. So second soaping is the step. This step is done to remove remaining dirt or stains which have not been removed in the first soaping. But actually we use this when we are using washing machine. So to some, this step is optional. Sometimes soaking and first soaping are enough to clean the clothes thoroughly. As I've said a while ago, this is we use second soaping when we're washing white clothes. Next is final rinsing. Final rinsing, rinse the clothes 2 or 3 times in a clean water. It depends on the bubbles. So when you look at the bubbles, when you do the second rinsing and there are so many bubbles, then I think there is a need for you to have third rinsing. So then use fabric softener added in water gives the cloth fresh and fragrant smell. And the fourth one is drying. You can use technology or you can dry it, okay, under the sun. So the next one is the next step is ironing. Ironing is pressing removes wrinkles and improves the appearance of the garments. Ironing is done by sliding a heat iron back and forth across the garment because we want to remove wrinkles and we want to improve the appearance of the cloth. So there are techniques in ironing. So sprinkle lightly all over the garment or sprinkle water all over the garment. We use this so that okay, the garment will not be easily burned, or actually it will make our task easily when you do ironing and sprinkle little amount of water. Then iron the sleeves and collar first. That is the first thing that you should iron. And next is Dab a moist cloth over the parts that are not smooth before pressing the iron over them again. And the fourth is place the shoulder of the garment over the end of the ironing board. So if you are using ironing board but sometimes you do not choose ironing board, so it's up to you on how you iron the clothes properly. Number 6 is press the embroidery design on the wrong side. It's not necessary for you to iron the embroidery part, so you will direct it on the wrong side. Next is fold the clothes carefully or hang it in hangers. T-shirts we usually we fold it, while polos we hang it. Health and safety practices in caring for one's clothes. So first is have a safety, clean and orderly cabinet for clothes. Number 2, separate clothes and underwears. Classify your clothes depends on its use. So for church, for school, for house, for street, so you need to classify. Next is keep your cabinet clean and fresh smelling. The fourth one is always keep yourself on the watch for cockroaches and other insects that may destroy your clothes. And we can use naphthalene balls to drive away these cockroach. Number 5 is worn clothes should be separated from the newly washed or ironed clothes. So worn clothes should put in place, okay, that it will not be mixed with the newly washed or ironed clothes. Number 6 is clothes should not worn again. So if it is dirty, you should not worn again. Next is number 5, remove stains in clothes while still fresh. Just like if there is coffee stain on your clothes, then remove it so that it will not stick on the clothes. Number 8 is mend tears, rip hems, sleeves, or seams before washing or wearing. If you see that there is a okay, if the stitchings was removed, then do the mending or darning. So that is our topic for today. So you should take care of your clothes so that you can wear it in a long period of time. At the same time, you will look good on it.